Florida blue warrant has been issued for Patrick McDowell, white male, 35 years old, 60 inches tall, 170 pounds, brown hair and blue eyes, last seen in the area of US 301 and Sandy Road in Callahan, Florida. He was last seen wearing a black t-shirt, white undershirt, camouflage shorts, and black shoes. McDowell has wide earring holes in his ears. McDowell has a tattoo on his left shoulder stating "Death Before Dishonor" and a tattoo on his right arm stating "Egg." McDowell is the subject of a Florida blue warrant because he is suspected of killing a Florida law enforcement officer. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of McDowell, please contact the Nassau County Sheriff's Office at 904-225-5174 or 911.
You guys, together.